Modified Gaussian integral I. So basically, in my channel, like after this video, I'm going to do different kind of integrals in the form of Gaussian integral. So basically, our Gaussian integral is integral from 0 to infinity of e to the power minus x square dx, and this integral is equal to root pi by 2. Okay, so we are going to do different kind of modified Gaussian integrals, and this is the first in the series. And let us see how we do this. So for this one, what you can do is you can make a u substitution, that u is equals to ln x, and if you do that, we will have e to the power sorry we will have e to the power u equals to x, and that implies e to the power u du is equals to dx. Okay, so now if you make that substitution, ln of 0 is minus infinity and ln of infinity is infinity, and we have e to the power ln x is just u, so minus u square, and dx is e to the power u du, e to the power u du. Okay, now integral from minus infinity to infinity, what we can do is we can basically add the powers. So we have u square minus u, because I have taken minus common, du. Now we can try to complete the square. Yeah. And if we try to complete the square, we have e to the power minus of u square minus u plus 1 by 4 to complete the square, and then minus 1 by 4 du. Now I can take this thing minus 1 by 4 and minus take out, and we can what I can do is, let me show you. Now this is e to the power minus u minus 1 by 2 whole square, and then plus 1 by 4 du. Now I can take fourth root of e outside. Yeah, I can take fourth root of e. Sorry, what did I do? Basically e to the power 1 by 4 outside, and then integral from minus infinity to infinity of e to the power minus u minus 1 by 2 whole square du. Now I can substitute t equals to u minus 1 by 2, yeah, and that will still give me dt equals to du. Yeah, so now we have this is e to the power 1 by 4, and then again after this also we will still have integral going from minus infinity to infinity, and e to the power minus t square dt. Now this is also the Gaussian integral. So basically in the other one we had from 0 to infinity, yeah, and since this is an even function, so this will just be half of the integral from minus infinity to infinity, yeah. And so this over here was just root pi by 2, and so this will just be root pi by 2, and if I cancel by 2 by 2, this integral over here is just root pi, yeah. So now this integral over here is e to the power 1 by 4 times root pi. So the answer of our problem is, let me write this as fourth root of e and then root pi. That's a proper answer. And yeah, this was not too hard because e and ln x are somehow connected, so we had a simpler form. And in my upcoming videos, like I will replace ln x by gamma, digamma, zeta, eta, and many other function, full logarithm function, and let's try to like explore how the solution will be. You can also suggest me the ideas in the comment section as well. Yeah, so I think like some of the things that we can put over here is let's say gamma, yeah, square x. You can try this and comment me down, and you can also like suggest multiple other options that we can make video on. And yeah, I'm looking forward to your response. Hope you enjoyed this solution. And this solution only involved u substitution, completing a square substitution, and we found the solution. So thanks for watching. Look forward to seeing you in the upcoming videos too.